Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the Aussie dollar traded down all week last week, failed at weekly resistance up here. Is it trading down to weekly support in this range? So at the start of the week, I would watch for some form of rally. Can we rally back up to daily resistance at 63.93, approximately the 6400 level? Do we hold for a move down to test a weekly support at 62.85? We could move down and through that level, but that level could hold for then a move back up. So at the start of the week, can we rally back up to 63.93 hold, or then a move down to test weekly support? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.